Hey, this is Ronnie. Today I'm working on a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. Going to replace an engine oil cooler line. So I went ahead and stopped at my local Autozone, picked up the new line and a few tools. For a complete list of everything you need, check the description below. Alright, so the oil cooler line comes up from the transmission, goes in the radiator, follows from the radiator to another auxiliary transmission cooler in front of the radiator, and that's the line we're replacing. So I'm popping off all the plastic rivets here, lifting off this trim to gain access. To make my job a little bit easier, I'm going to go ahead and pop the grill out real quick. There's a few bolts here on top. The cooler is front and center here behind the grill. I'll probably leak a little bit of oil during this job, so I put some absorbent towels down on the floor. And I got a catch can ready, just in case. All right, let's see if we can get this grill popped out of here. There we go. Trying to help pulling the grill out by squeezing all the tabs. Trying not to break anything. Okay, there's the grill. Now have access to the oil cooler line. Start up here at the top. All right. There's a wire clip on each one of these. All right, pop that clip out. I see a bolt. I believe it's 10 millimeter. I got one bolt supporting the line to the fan shroud. All right. You see that pop out of there. Okay, so I've got the line removed from the radiator. I'll go to the front of the truck. Okay. These little black keepers here retain that wire clip. These wire clips can be tricky. They fly away at 100 miles an hour and you always lose it. Very careful. Little wire clip there. Get my pan ready just in case. There's our line. I'm going to go below and fish it out and replace it with the new line. And easier said than done. I went ahead and popped a couple more tabs off this rubber splash shield here so I can gain some more maneuverability with this line. Now I can fish it out of there. Just gonna make it. All right. I'll go ahead and set this aside. I'll grab my new line. Go ahead and try to fish my new line in here in the exact order of which it came out. There we go. Falling right into place up top there. All right. So these little wire clips, it doesn't hurt to pop them in first. So when you get the line on there, it just stays. It just pops into place. These lines they can be very, very tricky. All right, that's good. I'll come up here. Right. Okay, and there you have it. That is a transmission cooler line completed and on a 2008 Chevy Silverado 1500. For more informational videos, please like and subscribe.